Hello guys, in this exercise we will discuss how to import the CSV coordinates in QGIS. Navigate to the Excel file and open the Excel file. For this tutorial I have the names of the Indian cities, their latitude and longitude coordinates. Now I am going to import this information into QGIS platform in point format. So first thing I have to do is I have to convert this Excel file into CSV format, that is comma delimited format, and save this into CSV format. Now once I saved this file into CSV format, I am going to open QGIS. Before that, make sure that you have converted it into comma separated value. Now open QGIS. A new empty project. Now click on this layer and then add layer. Now you can find a add delimited text layer. Just click on it and then you will find a dialog box like this. In the file name there will be 3 dots. Click on the dots to navigate to the file. Now we have the CSV format file. Click on the CSV format file and then click open. You can find these geometric definition as point coordinates, and the X field should be always longitude and Y field should be latitude. There is also some sample data where you can see our data in the right format, city, latitude and longitude. Now click add. Once you click add, you can find this layer is imported into our QGIS working format, working space. Now click on the open attribute table and you can find the names of the Indian cities. Now in order to make sure whether these points are in the right place, enable the base map. We have enabled the OpenStreetMap. For example, see Chennai is in the right place, and we have Port Blair. You can navigate to Lakshadweep and North cities. So make sure that all the points are in the right places. And now we can decrease the transparency of the base map, that is OpenStreetMap. I am going to decrease the transparency to 50% so that my points will be very clear. Now open the attribute table and select all the cities so that the cities will be highlighted on the map. See, all the cities are highlighted in yellow color. Now deselect. Now I am going to select some certain cities like Agartala, Ahmedabad, Ahmednagar, and we can see that the selected cities are highlighted on the working space in yellow color. Now deselect all the cities. So this is how you have to identify a particular city, whereas they are placed in the right place or not. Now I am going to export this layer into a shapefile format. So far it is not in a shapefile format, so that I am going to export it into ESRI shapefile and then navigate where the file should be saved. I am going to save it in the same folder, importing CSV coordinate folder, and I am going to give the name as cities _ India, and save as type is shapefile format, and then CRS coordinate reference system is same WJS84, and then click OK. Now you can find another one layer, remove the old layer. See, now I have this layer in shapefile format. Now I can edit this shapefile. Open toggle editing. See, the names of the cities have been changed. So instead of Ahmedabad there are some special characters. We can modify the names of these cities. We can modify the names, latitude and longitude information also by enabling this toggle editing and disabling it. Now I am going to change the colors by enabling the symbology. I am going to change the stroke color and then apply, and then fill color I am going to change it to green color and then apply. Now we can see that the entire point data is in green color. So same way we can enable the labels as well. Change to single labels, and which column should be displayed, I am going to click cities. Now you can see that our attribute information has come to the screen. Similarly, I am going to give the latitude and then click apply. Now we can see the latitude information of all the cities. I am going to revert it back to the no labels now. So this is how we have to enable the labels. Now I am going to create a map, create print layout. I am going to give it as Indian cities and then click OK. Add item, add map, and then draw the boundary of the map. Imagine this as a empty white sheet and draw the boundary. So the working space has imported into this map. Now I am going to add a label, that is title. Click item properties, change the name of this map and giving it as Indian cities. You can change the color of the text, improve the font size. You can modify the horizontal alignment and vertical alignment over here. Position and size also can be changed, and then can create a frame or background. I am going to change the give a background color as blue color and give a frame. So we have so many other options for modifying the labels. The next thing I am going to do is I am going to add a north arrow. A map must have a north arrow. Same way we can modify the north arrow. We have other symbols available. So we can just customize the symbols of north arrow. Next we are going to add legend to the map on the right bottom. You can see that the layer names are displayed in the legend items. Disable auto update, and then by double clicking we can rename the layer names. Here instead of OSM standard I am just renaming the base map as world map. Now you can see that cities India and world map gets updated. If we don't need some layer, we can just click on it and then hide it. Can give a title for this legend. I am just giving it as legend. Now once again go to add item and add scale bar to the left bottom. You can modify the item properties of the scale bar by right clicking and going to item properties. Here the scale bar unit is in kilometers. You can customize this background, and you can give a frame if needed, and we have so many options for customizing the scale bar. Now the unit is in kilometers and the label for the unit is km. I am not going to change. If we need to change the scale bar unit into miles, we can change it. Now I am going to revert it back to kilometers itself. Next thing is again going to add item. Now we can export this map into a image format. Go to layout and then click export as image. If we need it in a PDF format, we can export it as PDF as well. As of now I am going to export it as image into JPEG format. And finally we can export this map into a JPEG format by clicking on save. Thank you.